Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. And congratulations, Bitcoin holders, all-time high is coming your way. Let's look at the charts. So basically what we have done is create a double bottom formation, which I've been talking to you about on this channel. We had our first leg up, first retrace, currently in our second leg up, which is gonna take us above the all-time high at 74k approximately. We recovered this volume candle right here, which I have marked off in the chart, and we can bam delete it because we have recovered it. So to the upside we don't have any volume candles. To the downside we have plenty of them, as you can see. First one is located at 67k. After that we have one all the way down to 62k. It is a possibility that we recover the first one because we have some open orders in that area, which would be great if we could recover, go down to 67k and then continue our journey to the upside. Other than that, as you might know, the next phase is then a retrace and then a third and final leg up, which is going to take us roughly to 80k before we have a bigger retrace, possibly down to 64k again, and then load up to 100k in the next wave up. But that's in the future. What you have to wait for now is to break this high at 72k. We're going to new all-time highs, possibly stall around the 76k area or even some above, have a retrace down to the 70k area and then load up for the last and final leg up in this impulsive wave to the upside, which is the market maker move. And remember, none of this is financial advice, this is just for education and entertainment purpose only. This is what I theoretically see in the chart. Yesterday was a good news day. We have less jobs available in the US than expected, which is good. That means we could see reduced interest rates in the future. Today we have the non-farm employment change, which is more important than yesterday's news. So if that is good as well, I think we can see a pump during today. But wait for news to be released before you place any trades if you aren't in any already. Other than that, unemployment claims and unemployment rate coming out on Friday. So Friday could be a big day because we have 3 news basically which will dictate the market. Looking at the liquidation map, let's see if we can see some interesting data, because as we pump, usually what tends to happen is that some traders like to play some shorts, as you can see, thinking that they are smart. However, as you can see, more people are favoring shorts and they're getting liquidated around 71.7k area, roughly $100 million to be grabbed for the market maker, less to the downside. So people are counter trading thinking that they're smart, that they catch the move. You have to wait for the market maker to continue his pattern before they start buying again as it goes down. So right now they are selling into the retail traders. As you can see, more money to the upside than to the downside. So make of this what you want. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. So Chainlink is finally giving us some clues of what might happen next, because it gives us clear direction. We had a double bottom formation right here, first leg up, have some wicks going into this zone at the $18-19 area. So currently we're in our first retrace basically for Chainlink. Could go all the way down to recover this volume candle right here at $17 roughly before we load up for the next move going into the previous high where we last sold off from, which is at $22. After that, I think we're gonna see some VIX in that zone, have another retrace, and then continue our journey towards, I think we're going towards the next volume candle to the upside, which sits at $30. So we could see that during this summer that we go into $30 zone, have a retrace down possibly to sub 20, before we load up for the all-time high for Chainlink. Exciting times actually to be invested in this coin. A lot of good news coming out from the project. They're finally releasing some big news, but the market doesn't react on it. They just pump and dump Dogecoin and coins like that. And the big investors are looking at Chainlink. That's pretty clear. We covered that on this channel. Day trading wise, wait for a bigger retrace. I think we're going to recover this one candle at $17. So you could place some bets, not financial advice, just for educational purpose only. Could place some bets on $17, some longs before loading up for next impulsive wave to the upside. You could have, as I always preach on this channel, 1/3 you place on the first bet, second third you place possibly in this area right here, and third bet is at $13. So adjust your leverage accordingly. Not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do. With that being said, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one. Big Boss out.